Today I got my new Hamilton Beach toaster. It's called the Contemporary 2-Slice Toaster. It's supposed to be able to easily toast white slices of bread, like the artisan breads that you like, and bagels, and just about any other kind of bread that you can put in it, and it should fit. I haven't opened it up yet other than to unseal it. I wanted to unpack it for you and show you how it's packaged. Okay, open the box up. Okay, we're gonna take that out, that protect the opening. There's an instruction manual, and everybody thinks, oh, it's a toaster. I know how to make toast, but you really should take a look at it because there's a lot of important things in there that tells you what the different functions are of pushing down the button on it. Wide slots with bread guides. There's bread lifter with toaster boost. So in other words, I haven't done it yet, but I guess you hit the lifter on it and it would bring your bread up just a little bit higher. Because sometimes you put an English muffin in there and it's one size, and by the time it toasts, it shrinks down a little bit. So that's that, and this is the toaster. How pretty is that? And the box, you can see inside there, it's got padding in there that protects it in shipment and in the stores. And so here it is in plastic. And there's your crumb tray without even looking at the directions. Every so often you need to make sure that you empty that out so nothing catches on fire in it. And you can see all the way through. Okay, and it has a cord on it. The cord's not too long. It's just long enough so that you don't end up knocking it off of your counter. Okay, and it's a pretty stainless. And that's the top of it. See the wide slots on it? Okay. And what else we got going here? There's a button here, and it's a bagel selection, and there's a button to cancel. Okay, and then it toasts has different settings from 1 to 7, so from light to really, really dark. And some breads, if they've got a lot of moisture, really thick bread, you probably put it on the darker settings so that it absorbs some of that moisture and your bread toasts a little bit better. And then there's your button to push, and I didn't pull out any bread to toast to show you, but I wanted to show you what it looks like fresh out of the box. It's Hamilton Beach. I've got tons of Hamilton Beach items, a toaster oven. I have a food processor. I've got a blender. Actually, I've got 2 food processors, a little one and a bigger one, and a hand mixer that I've had this hand mixer for years. And Hamilton Beach makes quality products. So if you're looking for an appliance for your kitchen that's quality, you want to check into the Hamilton Beach line. You could go to their website and Hamilton Beach and see everything that they have.